Here's a familiar sound. I know it's very annoying, but it's important not to ignore this. This indicates a fault on your fire alarm system. Let's go investigate. So, our panel indicated that a sound was removed in this apartment. This is very common, as the people who live in the apartments tend not to like the noise they make. This is why it's so important to have your fire system maintained regularly, so that issues like this do not go unresolved. It's extremely important that your fire system operate to its fullest potential. Because in the event of an emergency, the occupants of this apartment may not hear the fire alarm go off, putting their lives in danger.